My name's Scott Waid. I'm head of technology services for the Atlanta Braves. We had lots of moving parts and we had lots of stakeholders that we had to manage, and it wasn't always easy. But I always felt like SNA was focused on the end goal, and that end goal being a high quality product. And that process didn't end with opening day. It didn't end with what I'd call hypercare. That first series, the first month, we had a number of SNA technical experts on site to help us both identify defects in the platform proactively and fix those, but also as processes were tried and understood and needed to be changed in some cases. Having those SNA people on site that first month was critical to that transition from installation to ongoing operation.